Right, what I'm going to do today is make this piece of steel into an engine mount for the boat engine to sit on. So I'm going to cut it in half now, and then I'm going to cut it into an angle each side there, so the engine mount from the engine would sit on top there each side, and then drill holes in the bottom so it'd be an angle on there. Drill holes in the bottom then for me to bolt into the chassis of the boat. So you see how we get on from there. I mark my points where I'm going to go there now. So I'll go across there and cut off an angle so the engine bracket would sit there. Then that gives me access then to drill a hole down into there for that to bolt into the chassis. So I cut that off there now, and I'll do the same with that one. Right, so there we have it. Before and after. That's what I want. So it gives me access now to draw a hole in there. Draw a hole in there. And then I can put a bracket on the top. And that gives me my engine bracket. There we have it. There's our engine mountings. So draw a hole there now. Draw a hole there. Draw a hole there. Draw a hole there. That's how you turn scrap metal into an engine bracket.